Boxes, we don't know her. Let's talk creative packing hacks for your big move. First up, let's raid your closet. Grab those suitcases and duffel bags, perfect for clothes, shoes, and even books. Plus, they come with wheels, no more heavy lifting. Next, head to the laundry room. Laundry baskets aren't just for dirty clothes, they're sturdy and spacious, ideal for packing bulky items like blankets and pillows. And hey, you can still carry them by the handles. Reusable shopping bags to the rescue. These guys are MVPs for small items like toiletries, kitchen gadgets, and even pantry staples. They're strong, flexible, and eco-friendly. Now for the magic trick vacuum-sealed bags. These are perfect for compressing your clothes, bedding, and even towels. Just pack, seal, and watch your stuff shrink down to half the size. More space equals more room for your other essentials. Remember, packing isn't just about stuffing things into containers. Roll clothes to save space, use towels to cushion fragile items, and label everything. Trust us, future you will thank you. So, there you have it. No boxes, no problem. Happy moving, and may your unpacking be swift and painless. Catch you next time. For more tips, call 844-992-1999.